Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's makeup look, I wanted to play with some purple shades. Hence I have created purple halo eyes, which are very much in trend these days. So I hope you like this makeup. Without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the skin prep, for that I'm using Fortis Essential Facial Moisturizer. It's the sandalwood and orange peel one. I really like this moisturizer. And then followed by I'm using MAC Strobe Cream. It's in the shade Pinklite. So this gives me a very healthy and within kind of a glow. For primer, I am using few spritzes of MAC prep+prime Fix Plus Fixing Spray, but if you want, you can always go for pore filling primer. And then for foundation today, I am using LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation. So here I am very lightly just applying it and buffing it out with the help of a damp beauty blender. This blender is by Real Techniques. Moving on to the concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. So here I am applying it only under my eyes and little bit on my eyelids to sort of brighten them up and buffing it out. And then to set everything in place, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 220. So here very lightly I am just applying it to set my concealer and only on the areas which are tend to get oily, basically the T-zone of my face. And now I'm using Urban Decay Naked Flush palette, and I'm taking bronzer from this palette and applying it as a bronzer and a contouring product to my face, so that this will give more dimension to my face rather than looking flat. And then moving on to the blush, I'm using blush from the same palette and I'm applying it only on the uppers of my cheeks to give them slightly flushed out look, which I absolutely love. Next, to highlight my face, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. Very pigmented highlighter. I am absolutely in love with this highlighter. Now I'm taking MAC Eyebrow Styler. This is in the shade Spiked, just to fill up if there are any gaps in my eyebrows and just defining them up with the help of a spoolie that came along with it. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm using this beautiful pink shade from the Makeup Revolution London Sophx palette, and I'm taking with the help of a big blending brush and just applying it as a transition shade, and also I'm just deepening up my crease. Now I'm taking Aloha Vibes palette from the LA Girl Cosmetics, and then I'm taking this dark purple shade, and with the help of a small blending brush I'm applying it and mostly concentrating it only on the outer corner and my inner corner, and just slowly I'm just diffusing it out. And now I'm taking this beautiful lilac sort of shade and applying it with the help of my finger to give it maximum pop only on the center of my eyelids. Again, I'm with the help of a small blending brush just defining and working on my crease and also replicating the same eye look on the lower lash line and just diffusing and smoking it out. Now I'm using this beautiful vibrant shade and applying it in the inner corners of my eye and little bit on my brow bone to highlight them up. And then I'm using Colorbar just smoky kajal in black and just tightening my eyes. And then for liner, I'm using Superliner by L'Oreal and applying a quite thick winged eyeliner look. Moving on to the eyelashes, for that I'm using eyelash curler to curl them up, and then followed by I'm using combination of two mascaras. So for today's look, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara and Kiko Milano Standout Volume Mascara. Both of these two mascaras when applied together on my eyelashes gives me most flattering kind of eyelashes. It always gives me the feeling of falsies, but if you want, you can always go for falsies. It's all up to you. Moving on to the lips, I'm using Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. Very beautiful shade. I will mention the shade detail down in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. Alright, so here is the final look for you guys. I really hope that you like and enjoyed this video. If you did, then let's not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified whenever I will upload my latest video. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, be safe at home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.